How's it going, Plant Heroes? Plant Hero Call here today with a very special announcement. We hit 1,000 Plant Heroes, so thank you, and you, and you, and you, and you, all watching, because couldn't have done it without you. So massive, massive growth. But before I get into that, I'm also going to be planting up this Gromeo wall planter, so that'll be kind of a fun thing that we do along the way. It's got these plant pockets, and you know, I'm gonna plant a bunch of these little smaller plants into here, and we'll see how the finished product looks. So, doing that as a part of this big, huge setup you see behind me. It's about 90 degrees here in the greenhouse, so I am doing my best to stay cool, but let's get to planting, and then we'll announce the giveaway as we go. Okay, so the way this works is basically this is the Gromeo Planter. This is by Habitat Horticulture. You can actually probably see that right here. This is meant to hang on a wall. We're going to be putting it in an office in actually Autodesk. We have maybe 18 of these to do, so I'll get a little more in depth at some point. But it's got a big reservoir at the bottom, and then it's going to wick water up into this felt layer where all these plants are going to be nicely planted in. So we'll get to planting, see how it goes. See if I can do this so that you can see this as well. I imagine it's going to be fairly straightforward, but we will see. I'm going to place probably a couple of the more upright ones towards the top and some of the flowier ones down towards the bottom so they can drape over. We have couple different philodendrons here, 2 scheffeleras that are going to provide some nice height and you know, just different leaf textures. I love scheffeleras. And then we've got a nice Hoya that should be trailing down, a little bit of a slower grower, but I'm not terribly worried about it. 2 snake plants, or spider plants, Spider plants, you can't go wrong with them, and then they'll shoot out little pups and provide more of an off-the-wall sort of effect. And just 1 small little ZZ plant because I love them, they're great. They're all relatively the same water-wise except for the Hoya. So, and then these are 4-inch planters, or pots right now. That's the size that they recommend, so that you can kind of nicely shove them into the pockets. All right, first I'm going to do a spider plant up in the top area, I think. And for the first plant, we're going to announce the first winner. This is going to be Louisa Bird. She has been commenting on a lot of the videos, and also emailing me on the side. Like, I just love the support. I love to be able to help. So, Louisa, you will be the one that gets to pick your favorite prize. I believe you mentioned in one of the previous videos you wanted actually the plant doctor visit to kind of help you diagnose some of the plants in your home. So I'll get in touch with you. We will make that happen. Maybe we can even make a video about it. That would be super cool. So Louisa, this one's for you. Plant this in. So I'm just gonna pull this pocket apart. Sometimes you kind of have to squish the root ball a little. Maybe some of the soil is going to fall off. That is okay. So it's just loose soil that doesn't have any roots in it. And then we're going to give it a little bit of a shove. And I think we're in. There we go. Love it. Okay. And then next, I think I want a Hoya that's going to drape down a little bit. We're going to go for the Hoya down in here. So pop it out of the roots. Shake off some of the excess soil. Spread this pocket open. And in we go. Just give you a little sneak peek at how we're looking so far. You can see the two there. We're starting out, but think it's looking good so far. Next, I'm probably going to use this ZZ plant. It should kind of fill nicely into the middle and be, a nice solid growth point for the rest of the planter. So I'm going to put this in the middle top section. Again, give it a little shake. Spread the pocket. Okay, and next up is going to be plant number 4. I'm also going to use this opportunity to announce our second winner. This is going to be one of the Scheffeleras. I'm going to put this probably right in the middle under these ones to kind of fill out this empty gap that I have right now. Let's turn this a little bit so you can see, maybe, potentially. That looks good. And with this Scheffelera, we are going to be giving away either the Urban Jungles or the Wild Interiors book that I had previously mentioned in the giveaway. And the winner is going to be, drum roll please, Alexandra Munch. So I will get in contact with you, figure out how to get one of these books ordered to your house, and hopefully you can find some interesting plant tips in there for your journey. So Alexandra, this Scheffelera is for you. And here we go. It's looking good so far. I've been focusing on one of the sides, but I think as we keep going and as the plants fill out, we should be looking golden. Okay, I think next up I want another one of these snake plant or spider plants, but I'm gonna go for somewhere a little different so that I don't have too much matchy-matchy. I think we're gonna go for the pocket on the far right. This is looking good. God, look at these roots. Spider plants have the most amazing root system. They're like a ghostly white almost, and some of them are super thick. So this is it's one of my favorite moments to pull a spider plant out and see what it's been doing underneath there. So there's that. Give it a little pull and a shove. And with most plants, it's okay to disturb the roots a little bit, as long as you don't like fully damage them and slice them up. But some you want to be a little more careful with. I think next we're gonna go for one of these lovely split leaf philodendrons. I think that's what it is. Someone correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's what this is. So I think with this one, I want it to be up in the top so it can kind of really take over beyond just this planter. Ooh, it's in there. It's in there tight. Nice, lovely roots. A little softer. I'm probably not going to disturb it too much. I think these are a little more temperamental. So I'm just going to go for the kind of, shove, like pressurize it down a little bit method. And with this one, I think that's going to go there. This will go there. And I think we're going to go top right on this one. It's going to be probably the trickiest spot, but it should work out. Seems like I can kind of just get a little bit of extra oomph in there if I need it to. Oh, looking great. Okay. Then I have another one of those that I'm going to plant near the bottom, I think. So let's get this one out. It's good whenever you're planting up multiple plants together to get some organic kind of diversity in there, not have it totally match. And it's actually kind of fun to put two of the same together sometimes next to each other because it looks like one larger plant when they kind of end up growing together. So there's that one in there. I think we're looking good. That's what we got so far. And our final one is going to be the third winner of this giveaway. This is going to be for one of our Plant Hero t-shirts. Eventually I might open up a little shop on the planthero.club website that I've been working on, but for now this is going to be the only way that someone's going to get one of these. But this is going to be the last Schefflera. It's going to go right in the middle, and the winner is, wait for it, Riley S. So Riley S, I've seen you comment on a couple of my videos. I will be reaching out to you. Gonna get one of these shirts in your possession so that you can rock it and be a plant hero too. So you gotta let me know, do you like the CE Grow shirt? Do you like the Plant Daddy shirt? You know, it seems like you've been growing your plant collection, so why not grow your apparel collection to fit and match? So Riley S, this one's for you. Plant it on in. Okay. And let's show you the finished product. So this is the Gromeo Wall Planter by Habitat Horticulture, and you have your 3 giveaway winners. Hopefully I can do another giveaway when we hit, you know, 5,000 would be, I can't even imagine that goal, but if we keep on planting, keep on growing, we'll be there before you know it. So check this out online. I'll drop a little link in the description because it's super cool, super easy. Apparently you have to water it like once every 3 weeks. The bottom, like I said, holds a bunch of water. So I will update you. Maybe I can do another video on planting some of those other 18 that I have with various different types of plants, and see what you think. All right, well, that'll do it for today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for being plant heroes. And till next time, gather and grow together.